Welcome to the Season 2 of Lolita Cup Tournament, and the game is underway here at Burawin Community Center of Burawin, Leyte. And this game is also hosted and organized by our Congresswoman Lolita Karen Javier. We have three exciting games tonight. The first game was San Miguel versus Better and Brighter Tanawan. The second game was Dulag Karatong versus La Paz Vejedores, and the main event was Burawin Volcanoes versus Dagami Binagol. So welcome for day 17 of Lolita Cup, and we will witness a spectacular, thrilling, exciting, and action-packed game. Jump in na tayo agad sa first game natin between San Miguel and Tanawan. Tanawan coach said they are ready for any eventually, and they need to review their previous games because of their lapses and try to reduce their mistakes. While on the other hand, San Miguel coach said they need to be confident they have an adjustment for the defense and less the turnovers. The last game nakakasabay naman kaso nagchuchoke lang sa dulo. Close fight ang first quarter ng first game natin na talagang umiinit ang intro at ang mga kamay ng mga San Miguel team, and even where they take a positions, the ball goes in. However, the Season 1 champion ay hindi naman basta-basta tutumba at bibigay dahil Better and Brighter Tanawan na ang nag-control the game from second quarter to fourth quarter, and Tanawan win the game with a score of 86-64, and the best player that game is Mel Ivan Parungao with 23 points. Second game na tayo between Dulag Karatong and La Paz Vejedores. According to Coach Harvey Abdulag said, every game is important as they aim to get the championship title for this season. They will just do what they have been doing, which is focusing the game. While Coach La Paz said, kahit underdog sila ay susubukan nilang depensahan ang Dulag Karatong. First quarter, same as first game natin na talagang i-intro ang mga losing team dahil first quarter mainit at lamang ang mga La Paz Vejedores. However, in second quarter, dahan-dahan namang humabol at nagkontrol ang Dulag Karatong. Di na pinagbigyan makalamang pa ang La Paz Vejedores, and the match was made into a bonus round. And Dulag Karatong win the game with a score of 100-75. And the best player that game is Earl Christian Afanis with 17 points. And we are now at the main game between Burawin Volcanoes and Dagami Binagol. Burawin coach said they are expecting that Dagami is trying to revenge or bounce back. They train well and di na nila hayaan na sila ang maghahabol. And sila ang magkukontrol ng game, and they have to adjust and stick to their identity, which is defense. While on the other hand, coach of Dagami said in order to clinch a win, they focus on fuel their teamwork and break the defense of Volcanoes. They will also see to it that they will remain from the start to the end. Breathtaking at bakbakan agad sa first quarter, wherein Burawin Volcanoes take a lot of errors, miscommunications, and adjustment. Kaya naman hindi pinaglagpas ng Binagol ang pagkakataon ng lumamang, and Dagami controlling the game at first quarter with 10 points. Second quarter na, and Burawin Volcanoes is trying to catch up, and luckily bumalik na ang shooting at communications ng mga Volcanoes. Kaya naman dahan-dahan nilang hinabol ang talagang exciting ang laban when Burawin take the lead at second quarter with 48-49. Third quarter na dikit pa rin ang makbakan at gustong iparating ng mga Binagol na kaya nilang talunan ng Volcanoes at their home court. However, di naman basta-basta magpapatinag ang mga Burawin Volcanoes at talagang gusto nilang iparamdam na malakas at di sila basta-basta magpapatalo. At sa third quarter, lamang ang Burawin with a score of 65-67. All out na at last quarter, mainit at breathtaking ng bakbakan wherein Dagami Binagol is trying to catch up and wants to take the lead. However, big time 3-pointer naman ang hatid ni Jeffertan na bumubuhay sa Burawin, Leyte, at halos lahat ng points ng Burawin dito sa crunch time ay nagbula kay Jeffertan, and Burawin Volcanoes is snatched their fifth victory with a score of 99-95, and the best player that game is Jeffertan with 35 points. So for more exciting and thrilling game, follow Lolita Cup Basketball Tournament at their Facebook page. That's it for today's video. Thank you, Lolita Cup.